Alright, what's going on, big guys? So today we're going to be working on the wire harness for my FXR. I ended up replacing all the gaskets on the motor, cleaning it up over the last week. Forgot to record any of it because I was too busy doing this. Yeah, now I'm actually back to recording, so we're gonna go through the wire harness, remove a lot of the stuff that I don't need, like turn signal wiring, because I'm not running any turn signals. Some stuff needs to get spliced back in, and replace some other terminals and stuff. Also, another thing is I have like brand new wire loom, so I'm gonna take off all this old stuff, make everything all nice and clean, and then go from there. Oh yeah, and I got my dogs here with me today. This is Rosie. And we got old Colt. So, we'll get back to listening to my podcast and start getting to town on this, so.
With all the advantages and opportunities, I would soldier.
Alright, well, wiring harness is pretty much done. Need to get a terminal for the battery connection there. This one, certainly not the best. But yeah, we'll replace that whenever I get the new terminal. But coming up from here, we got the my headlight switch wiring. From there goes to the dash wiring, which honestly I feel like I could probably simplify these into one terminal, but I'll have to get everything put back together and go from there. Goes down a little bit. This is for the ignition. It's cut there because it was all wrapped up in the frame and I didn't feel like taking the ignition timer out of the bike, or the points out of the bike. Yeah, it's fresh wire loom. Some spots where I couldn't get heat shrink on, so a little bit of electrical tape there, but not too worried about that. Goes to the that panel there. I got my tail light wiring and brake light wiring. That's really about it. Cut a lot of stuff off of it. If you see here, all that unnecessary, and then a bunch of the other crap that came off of it. But all in all, not too bad. It's looking a lot simpler, and yeah, that's really about it for wiring on a 1985 FXR. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, leave a like, comment, I guess, I don't know. And yeah, until next time, hope you guys take it easy, have a good one, peace.